मैं निराश हूँ. But no problem. It is going to write your future.
It is right going to your future.
Do you want to break it? Here today, I'll just tell you the 5 points and the 5 pointers. You can smile, bro. Yes, come on. This is like that. Understand? Smile इस तरीके से.
The last time.
चल. Yes. No. You speak. हाँ.
When was the last time you did something that actually scared you? I'm not talking about something comfortable. I'm not talking about something easy.
That's it. Wait. When you just speak about the scaring, you also scare a little bit. Feel the words. Understand? Means our words must be equal to our body language. Our body language must be equal to our words. Okay? Speak like that. Okay? Come on, continue again.
When was the last time you actually feel scared?
No. When was the last time? When you actually feel scared? That must be scared. Do you remember? What was the day? Questions? Please continue again. एक बार कर. Come on.
When was the last time you actually feel scared?
Yes.
I'm not talking about something comfortable. I'm not talking about something easy. I'm talking about something that actually pushed you out of your comfort zone. If you don't remember, that's exactly where the problem is. We choose easier options rather than the difficult one. We do scrolling.
Wait. We do scrolling and all. थोड़ा इसमें aggression लगी है. Aggression मतलब गुस्सा लगी इस तरीके से. Understand? Usually we choose the comfort zone, and we sleep at the day. We feel sleepy at home. What does it happen with us? Do you remember? Do you just know that? What is the reason behind this?
Easier option rather than the difficult.
गुस्से में बोलिए चलिए. गुस्से में बोलिए आप.
मुझे हंसी आ रही है.
आप हंस के बोलो आप. हाँ. No. कहीं मुझे हंसी आ रही है. It's all right, exactly right. Just speak up something. गुस्से में बोलिए. मान लीजिए कि ना आपकी इनसे दुश्मनी हो गई, जलन है, ठीक है? And you have to scold her. नहीं, ये आपकी क्या है? छोटी बहन है. समझ गए ना? इधर आ जाइए थोड़ा सा, because we are out of range. Okay, this is your younger sister, understand? And she always sleeps at home. She does not study, understand? And you have to just convince her. इनको आपको डांट लगानी जबरदस्त वाली. इनको समझाना है on the topic. Please समझाइए. गुस्से में समझाइए. मार उड़ दीजिए. बगल ये अगर कुछ बीच में है ना, इनको धक्का मारी उड़ जाए उधर. So मैं अगर कहूँ कि मैम प्लीज वेट कर. What is this? Just so you keep sitting. बोलिए जल्दी से. चलेगा. आप बोलो बस. Continue. Excitement please say. Good afternoon sir. Good afternoon all the friends. बोलिए.
Good afternoon sir and good afternoon all the friends.
अरे सर हथवा कहाँ गया आपका? बोलिए. Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon sir. Good afternoon all the friends.
फिर रुकिए. फिर बोलिए. Good afternoon friends.
Good afternoon friends.
Smile बोलिए. Good afternoon friends.
Good afternoon friends.
Smile bro.
Smile क्या government?
People get many facilities.
People get many facilities by the government.
Yes.
In rural area, people's life was very peaceful, simple and close to nature. Now let's talk about.
I know that he can speak. मुझे पता है कि बोल सकते हैं, understand? But do you think that do I need this speech? Yes, champion. I know that you can speak because I've seen you also earlier, right? You were speaking on the stage here. Wonderful it was speeches, right? It was your second or third day. You were speaking here on the stage. Third day, I think, right? But I don't want that because you can just do it now, and I believe it. But we have to just enhance something ourselves. So open up yourself. Say like this, please. Say please. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to all the friends.
Good afternoon, all the friends.
Good afternoon, all the friends.
Good afternoon, all the friends.
Sir. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Or ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Today, this is Jitendra here.
This is Shivam here.
And I'm going to tell you.
And I am going to tell you.
One of the wonderful topic.
Which
is village. The life of village.
The life of village.
Do you miss it?
क्या?
Do you miss it?
Yes.
अरे उनको पूछिए ना.
Do you miss it?
ऐसे. Do you miss the life of village?
Do you miss the life of village?
Yes.
Yes.
I know. Try to understand.
Just try to understand.
Here, the love of village.
Here, the love of village.
The peaceful moment of the village.
The peaceful moment of the village.
The life of the village.
The life of the village.
That has its own feel.
So
ladies and gentlemen. No problem. You have made buildings in urbans.
The buildings in urbans.
But make at least one room in a village. Because at your severe condition. At your severe condition. As you miss the problems.
You have
to go to the village.
you have to go to the village,
and that will give you a great peace.
and that you give a great peace.
आप स्पीच दे सकते हो यार, थोड़ा सा ओपन अप करना है अपने आप को, सुनना है।
Good afternoon, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Diksha Arya. Today I am stand before you all.
Today I'm stand before you, एकदम जितना ज्यादा ओपन करना हो कर लो अपने आप को, सच बता रहा हूँ, है इस तरीके से। जल्दी बोलिए प्लीज।
Today I am stand before you
Yes, come
all.
on. हाँ, continue.
I like to speak on the topic which is the major topic, which is the personality development. There are major 5 points which makes or enhance our personality, which is the first one, which is the dressing sense or the grooming, because first impression is the last
Move please,
impression.
once move from here to there. Come on, continue. एक बार मैं इधर आ जाता हूँ, आप चलिए, now move please. चलिए।
The first which नहीं,
एक बार बता रहा हूँ, जब भी मूविंग की बात आ जाए ना तो आप देखा इधर करो, चला इधर करिए, ऐसे करके।
ऐसे।
हाँ, आप इधर आइए, मैं बताता हूँ। Guys, come here. Now, when you just come here, actually for speaking, right? Today, I just teach you one of the wonderful things that is called personality development. Here today, I'd like to just tell you the 5 points and the 5 pointers which can enhance your life, your personality as well. So, the first of all, I'd like to just tell you about the confidence. What do we have? What do we have? Confidence. So, confidence is the most important thing of personality development because उसको explain करना चालू करो आप personality है ना confidence के बारे में तो और लगना भी चाहिए चलो एक बार फिर करिए good afternoon to all my friends today this is Diksha Arya and explain you one of the wonderful thing which is personality development. So let's start it now. I tell you the 5 points here. Subscribe my channel, watch the video till then. Thank you, like it. चलिए बोलिए जल्दी से।
Starting, sir.
हाँ जी प्लीज बोलिए।
Good afternoon, respected sir
Good
and my
afternoon.
dear friends.
Good afternoon.
Today I am Diksha Arya. Stand before you. I like to speak on the very major topic. Which
Yes.
is personality development. I have liked to speak. In my opinion, there are major 5 points, which is the first, which is the
Work yourself. Confidence.
Nahi.
Dressing sense. I'm sorry. Come on.
First, which is dressing sense and grooming. Then the second one, which is confidence.
Now again go here and there and look themselves. Please do it now again, please.
First, which is dressing sense
Yes.
and grooming, and second, which is confidence. Then body language or
Or
communication skills and the deep leadership. First, we talk about the dressing sense or the grooming. Dressing sense.
again you stopped yourself.
First,
हाँ, move here and there, please. Look the people and speak it now. Come on. जल्दी बोलिए जल्दी बोलिए।
which is let's talk about the dressing sense and the grooming. First,
Ma'am, work. Again you stop here and there doing like this.
treadmill लगा दो साहब.
हाँ?
First, which is the dressing sense and the grooming.
Yes. इधर देखो, अब मैं बता रहा हूँ। मैंने अभी कहा यहाँ से आप हो जाओ, इधर ऐसे देखिए, ऐसे बोलिए। फर्स्ट आई जस्ट लाइक कम से कम 2-3 ऐसे करके फिर इस तरीके से ऐसे वॉकिंग करनी है, अंडरस्टैंड? लगना चाहिए कि आपके सामने कोई है दुनिया के लोग, अंडरस्टैंड? फिर मन करे थोड़ा आगे फिर चले जाओ, फिर जब पीछे आओ तो इस तरीके से जस्ट कम फ्रॉम बैक साइड हियर, अंडरस्टैंड? जस्ट गो टू द लेफ्ट साइड, go to the right side, look the people eyes and then try to speak before them, convince them carefully, then everybody come back it again, then explain it now like this, understand?
We talk about the dressing sense. Dressing
Yes.
sense is not just about the expensive clothes or the expensive skincare. It's about our personality or our enhancement. First, we have you all of you listen one
Quotations.
quotation, which is don't judge a book by its cover, but
People judge.
People judge by
Yes.
people judge book by its cover.
Cover.
It is natural.
Yes. That's why
That's why.
we must have the wonderful
That's why we must have the wonderful personality or the grooming skills. Second, we talk about the communication. Confidence.
confidence. Okay. Confidence. Yes.
If you should must have confidence.
You should must have. Yes, you should must have. You must have. You must
You
have.
must have confidence. If you have confidence, people listen carefully
Yes.
to you, or it. Okay, बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ, नहीं रहा.
Come on. Again and again. ठीक है जी. Thank you very much. Welcome जी. जल्दी है. That's wonderful. जबरदस्त. Fabulous. Come on. Welcome.
Sir, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suman.
Today I am here to speak on the
Work,
topic.
please, work. Today I am work. अच्छा आगे जाओ इधर. Good friend.
Today I am speak on the wonderful topic is pollution. Pollution means make our environment dirty and harmful.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It affects our air, water and land, and it also harmful our human life, animal life and plants. And the main four type of pollution is first air pollution,
Yes.
second is water pollution, third soil pollution and noise pollution.
Yeah.
Air pollution is produced by
This is speech. This is speech. Understand? But do we need speech here? I know that you all can speak, right? Speeches, wonderful speeches. You can get a great marks as well in speeches, but I need enhancement. I need the growth as well. Take this. Explain the importance of this. This is a notebook, or you can understand this is a book, not notebook. This is a book. Explain the importance of this.
This is a book. Its color is
No, don't explain like a seller. Understand? Explain like a speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, I explain you this is not only a book. It is your future. You can keep into your hand. Someone has well said that no problem, there is no slipper in your leg. No problem, there is no shoes in your leg. But there must be the books in your hand. So today, I just tell you about this book. This is not only the book, this is a Bible for you. This is a Gita for you. This is Quran for you. This is Ramayana for you. This is going to enhance yourself. Just read carefully this. And it's going to just change you, your whole world, inside and out. So try to understand the importance of books. No problem. If you're just suppressed, if you're depressed, if you're just tired, if you're exhausted, no problem. Just sit down at the home, just keep studying the books and all. One day it is going to change you. And I believe, and it has changed the millions of people. I can give them many examples of life exactly. The great people are the great reader. The great leaders are the great speaker. The great speakers are the great reader. That's why we have to read the books. And we have to understand the importance of books. Now here you all are sitting now, standing now, speaking now, learning here, from here to anywhere else. But we have to understand the importance of the books here now. Look, this is not really a book. Turn it to the pages. Just keep writing. Wow, this is money?
no.
This is
it's
fake
not.
money. Understand? ऐसे करके सुना ना? लाउडली बोलना. देखो कुछ नहीं था इसमें. बस बोलते जाओ अपने जो दिमाग में आ रहा है. सच बता रहा हूँ. रोने का नहीं कोई बात. अरे रे कोई नहीं. चलो बोले जल्दी. बोलिए.
नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं
अरे
आ
कुछ
रहा.
तो बोलो. आएगा. क्या बोलो? कुछ भी थोड़ा. अच्छा इसको छोड़िए. ये लो. ये आपका जी बड़ा महंगा लग रहा है तो ये लीजिए. ये पेन है ठीक है. चलो बोल के दिखाओ. बोलो.
Guys, it is a pen.
नहीं, टेक दिस इन लेफ्ट हैंड.
Guys, this is a pen.
वाह, लेटेस्ट न्यूज. चलो बोलो.
We all use
Pen.
every time
Yes,
to write anything.
but this is not only a pen.
This
Brilliant.
is, and this is not only a pen.
This is a magic wand.
This is a magic wand.
This is a magic stick.
This is a magic stick.
It is going to write your future.
It is right going to your future.
Do you want to break it?
Do you want to break it?
Do you want to throw it?
Do you want to throw it?
Do you want to leave it?
Do you want to leave
Do
it?
you want to lose it?
Do you want to lose
Just
it?
keep it.
Just keep it.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose it.
Don't forget it.
Don't forget
Don't
it.
leave it.
Don't leave it.
Just take it
Just take it.
and try to understand the power of the pen.
And just try to understand the power of
और एकदम लगाइए. वो क्या हुआ था आपको?
tonsils.
हाँ, टोनसिस बाहर आ जाए. बोलिए. Try to understand the power of the pen.
Try to understand the power of pen.
आप क्या कर रहे हो? अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
ऐसे करके बोलना.
Okay.
एक चीज लीजिए और अपने आप को ओपन करिए. फिर देखिए कितना प्यारा लगता है. सच बता रहा हूँ. अंडरस्टैंड? अब जो लोग बोल नहीं पाएंगे ना थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, उनको अंदर से लगेगा हाय क्या कर दिया मैंने आज, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. थोड़ा इंफीरियरिटी फील होगा. थोड़ा सा समझ रहे हैं? अजीब डिमोटिवेशन फील होगा. टेंशन नहीं लेने का. एक बार बोल के देखिए फिर देखिए जबरदस्त आता
I
है.
don't
गाना आता है
like-
आपको?
Yes?
गाना आता है आपको?
No.
2 लाइन का चलेगा कुछ भी.
Sir, and good
Good afternoon.
afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I am Akansha. I am today talking about urban area and rural area.
Yes, come on, continue.
Rural area.
Yes.
Urban and rural area are two important part in our society.
Yes.
Urban area and rural area are two important parts in our society.
Yes.
Each its own lifestyle,
Yes.
advantage and challenges. Urban areas such as cities and town are center of development. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you very much, everybody.
I'm here,
I am here,
Akansha,
Akansha,
and you knew.
and you know,
You believe me.
you believe me.
Oh, believe like this.
You believe like this.
You but you believe me.
You believe me.
I'm here
I am
to
here
change everything.
to change everything.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
just look at me.
just look at me.
My face.
My face.
My face.
My face.
My confidence.
My confidence.
I know that.
I know that.
मैं हताश हूँ. बोलो ना, मैं हताश हूँ.
मैं हताश
मैं निराश हूँ.
मैं निराश हूँ.
But no problem.
But no
And
problem.
I believe myself.
I believe myself.
I have confidence
I have confidence
that I can
that I can
achieve anything.
achieve anything.
I can get my goal.
I get my
I can
goal.
achieve my goals.
I achieve my goal.
Ladies
Ladies
and gentlemen,
and gentlemen,
just stop
just stop
where you are
where you are
and watch me.
and watch me.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Just, I'm gonna start it now. बोले ना. मैं कुछ और बोल दिएगा. I'm just gonna start it now.
I'm just starting now. Just going.
All right.
All right.
I can
I can
speak English.
I can speak English.
I can abuse in English.
I can yeah.
Abuse, you understand? Speak bad words means abuse.
Abuse.
I can abuse in English.
I can abuse English.
I can speak in English.
I can speak English.
I can work in English.
I can work in English.
I can do anything in English.
I can do anything in English.
In English.
In English.
Can you eat food in English? बोलिए.
Can you food?
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ. Can you eat food in English? अंग्रेजी में खाना खा सकती हैं? बोलिए no, I cannot
No,
eat.
I cannot eat.
So किस लैंग्वेज में खाना खाते हो आप? There is no language, so it's body language. Understand? सुनना जी. और कौन बचाते जी?
कोई नहीं.
You are left, please. Thank you.